just making it to the other companies. Highlight this as your own portfolio. Here, portfolio
Okay.
is in the sense your self-interest. Your self-interest.
Okay.
That is what. See, what you have done, why I have to give you the job, why I have to hire you. So in that manner, yeah, I have already done this, I have already done this, and in this manner, yeah, I have just purported this towards in this report. Okay, so if you
Okay.
just yeah, see, actually one simple thing, whenever we just make it as something as a visually, okay, visually it would just grasp our eyes. That what they say. So in that manner, if you just say, yeah, if you just put a graph, yeah, if the fuel price is increasing, our groceries as like the tomato or the onion price is also just increasing. So it just to show our linearity increasing. Okay, and we just take our data according to the distribution. Okay, so yeah, fuel price is increasing, and this price of tomato also increasing. Yeah, there is a positive correlations. Okay, so in that manner, so we can just make a report and we can just provide something. So just show your talent. Sure. So
Mm.
in that manner, not only towards to that of any project, or just kindly think on to the recent trends or some issues, even though any funny things, just to show it to be in a visual light and highlight your portfolio.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
fine, fine.